So the thing is, you will never be ready for the PLAB 2 exam. You have to read this, read that, I have to practice more. Hey guys, this is DJ. How are you all? So I'm making this video after a long time, I think. I was busy with my NHS job hunting. It's really difficult, so I'm going to talk about that later. So the main thing which I want to say in this video is many people are texting me if they want to postpone their PLAB 2 exams. I was like, why? Why you want to postpone? Because even though if you postpone the exam for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you're gonna be in the same situation even after 3 weeks. So I would advise anyone who are feeling not ready for the exam, that means you're ready. So the thing is, you will never be ready for the PLAB 2 exam. It's always like I have to read this, read that, I have to practice more. Even if I practice 20 cases per day, that will not be enough. Some people have this, even I had it. 2 weeks before my exam, I wasn't able to do anything at all. I was calling my husband and crying, I don't want to write the exam. I want to postpone it. So this is a natural feeling everyone will have. You have to make sure you did practice of all type of cases. It's how you perform on that particular day. Even if you prepare for 6 months, I have no people who started early because they want to practice everything, be very sure in the exam, but still they will be anxious in the exam. So how you are handling the situation, the pressure inside this exam is too high. So literally you will be very panicking inside the exam, but it all depends on how calmly you're handling the situation. You have to be a safe doctor, you have to be confident, you have to show them like you care, you have to show empathy. Even if you take the exam tomorrow or 6 months later, obviously you would have taken time at least 3 months, 4 months before the exam. So it's enough time to prepare for PLAB 2 exams. If you don't have the confidence, I can give you the PLAB 2 session, because in my session I usually start with the confidence. Many people think PLAB 2 is difficult. It is difficult, but I can make it easy for you. Those who took my sessions will know I talk a lot about being confident, because you have to show them like you're a confident doctor and you're being safe at the same side. If you want to book my PLAB 2 sessions, you can comment below or you can DM me as well. I'll send you the details. But share this reel to your PLAB 2 friends, because they might be thinking about postponing the exam. So, all the very best. See you guys. Bye bye.